Alright, so let's go ahead and hatch one of the chosen ones. And actually, I was looking at this one over here, and I was like, that's not right. Like, this circle doesn't really do anything here. So you came in and deleted those, right? And I don't know, I'm not super happy with the way that this looks. So, but this is the kind of thing that I would think you would do, right? So pick that and pick that, draw a line between there, and then let's match that, and then we'll fill it that and that and that and that. That makes me slightly happier. Not totally happy, but I don't know. And then you would have a circle, um, right, from, well, let's do a 3 point since it's not wanting to find the center, right? And then we can take that and mirror it from here to here, and then we'll match with these, right? And then we'll just copy midpoint to the center and to the center. So that's a little bit more correct, I think. So let's pick one and go ahead and put a hatch in it. So I'll choose this one. I like this one. I don't know, simple. I don't know. Seems to work, but seems overly simple in some ways. But we'll go ahead and use this one as a example. So down here is a effects extra light. So that's the current layer, and you can just hatch, and it'll let you select a curve. And if you select that curve, hit enter, it'll say hatch failed, which is always a lovely thing. But let's type in close curve and pick this guy, hit enter, and it said one curve closed by moving endpoint. So sometimes it may be a continuous curve, but it may not be closed, and you may not be able to see it. If I undo that, you can pick the curve, and if you go to the objects, it'll say open curve, so, and then you can just say close curve, right, and it'll close it, and then the hatch should work. So hatch, and then pick the curve, enter, right, and you can click OK. And so there's the hatch for that one. There's also a sort of a little ghosting offset that's happening. So I believe, let's double check and see what layer that guy is on. Effects light, right? So, and then we can do the same distance, I guess. 0.125, and then 0.0625 an eighth and a 16th. So I'll just come in here and do offset, and it's set to 0.125, so that's fine. So I'll come in and select the curve, right, and offset that to there, and then I'll offset, maybe this is 0.0625, right, and oops, don't really want that curve, I want that curve. So now you kind of have this little double offset curve that gives it a silhouette. So, just something to go in and work with. But that's what you would do to the one that you've kind of selected to be your selected one. And then, I would go in, and let's go ahead and turn on the guides again. Oh, actually they are on. So everything's on, so you should be able to see everything. You can start to adjust the line weights if you need to. Like in this one, I would definitely come in and kind of pull this guy in right inside of here. There's no need for it to be going out. And just start to adjust them the way that you would like them to be. And just get them all laid out in there and hatch the one that you are selecting to use. And that should get you ready to go to InDesign. And so we're going to use this guy to bring into InDesign since it's complete. Okay. All right.